Professor William Rennie teaches his classes with great enthusiasm, and he does this without speaking a word.
He was a really funny guy, really interesting with the jokes that he has. I chose sign language to take as a course because I do know a few friends who do know how to speak sign language, like they're deaf. So partly is because I want to try and communicate with them more instead of letting them read my lips.
He's like really funny and he makes it really easy to understand, and just the whole class it's like really relaxed, like it's not like tense when you go up and like sign your name or anything. So it's just really fun and easy, and he's so nice. My church, they do mission trips to Africa, and then some of the churches they help out with their deaf, so I just thought it would be really interesting to kind of learn about sign language and that whole thing.
During an interview, Professor Rennie explained to me why he loves teaching.
He's really awesome, and sign language is actually really cool.
This is Alma Camera with Beach News.